we are going to kick off our workshop session here, which we called Elevate Your DFIR Skills, Deeper Insights and Practical Applications. So what we wanted to do with this is actually, adding on to the previous one that we have had, the three-part journey into your DFIR skills workshop sessions, to add on to something more practical now, right? We've learned a lot of fundamentals there. This is just the next step now. And I'm really excited. We have a cool scenario for you, and we just want to go over that. And then hopefully we'll get more into the details and some of the analysis as well. So there was a lot of introductions into DFIR overviews and the artifacts and Windows forensics, and also the tools that we want to be using that you might or might not be familiar with. So we are going to apply that now, right? We are going to talk about a case from start to finish. Now, with the first session here, we want to cover the beginning of an investigation, right? And this typically starts in a SOC environment. So in a SOC environment, we are going to, we are protecting the environment, the organization, anything that, basically monitor the environment, and anything that might be malicious, suspicious will be analyzed and then responded to. And so this is why I wanted to introduce this as part of it, with SOC operations and some of the capabilities that are really nice introduction into the case that we're going to analyze. And the next few sessions will be very much hands-on and more like detailed and applied forensics. And then the first one will start by kicking it off with like the case introduction. But first, there will be a good amount of things that we'll cover just around SOC operations and in enterprise environments, because I think that's pretty important. Here's the overview. This is what we are going to be covering. And this is where we wanted to kind of, what we wanted to get into. We wanted to have a end-to-end scenario, basically end-to-end investigation from, hey, here's something is compromised. Let's start by talking about how this would be detected, what the capabilities are that we need in security operating centers and the enterprise environments, because a lot of people still don't have full understanding of what, some of the capabilities that are really helpful and useful. We'll dive into the alert, into the case file. I will introduce you to the case, and then we will start investigating the case. And then in session 2, we were going to start investigating it further by the typical way how we would do it in the SOC environments, which is, well, let's jump into SIEM, and then let's jump in EDR or Velociraptor, for example, in this case, and then collect some data. And then in the last one, we will then actually analyze in detail, perform applied forensic analysis in detail of the particular scenario, of the particular system in question. So this is what this series is about. 3 sessions from high-level investigation to low-level all the way to forensics. And then if you show up, last session, we have, it's the most important one, because we are going to do a scenario reveal. You will see what happened on the system. And then there is all the good stuff that we are going to also reveal about everything that we are going to have for you in store following up after this session, after this series is over. But let's focus on this one for now. The goal is for everyone who is attending here to have a better understanding of SOC environments and DFIR concepts and how to apply that. So this is going to be hopefully for all of you, right? Some people work in SOCs and there's always more to learn. Some people want to better get an understanding what it's like. And so you'll learn a lot about that too. And then, the idea is to gain experience from an investigation perspective, end to end, like I mentioned earlier, go high level, go deeper. We will experience some analysis techniques and just get hands-on experience working on a case file. So if you are downloading the case file, it's free on our website. You can do it after the session, and then just get your hands on and just start an analysis of the case file and share your thoughts and questions in the Discord, and we are going to be there for you. So today specifically, we're going to talk about, like I mentioned, about enterprise SOC environments, what's important to know, some best practices. We'll then also talk specifically about some of the SOC capabilities, such as threat intel and threat hunting and how it can be useful. We talk about incident handling, and that will then lead us into the case. And then we'll talk about the case, introduction of the case, perform the first steps of the analysis. So a lot of things ahead of us.